Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope all of you are having a great December so far. It's actually quite gloomy and grey outside. This is when you know winter's coming. I actually have my bedroom light on because it's that gloomy outside, but it is the month of Christmas, so I need to do a little bit of Christmas shopping today. I am one of those people who, I said that I'll get all my Christmas shopping done in November, but now it's December, like mid-December, and I've got like one present. So I need to do some Christmas shopping. I've gone for a really natural makeup look today. If you've been watching my previous vlogs, you'll know that I've really been loving a more natural approach to makeup, especially since like we're in tier 2 and I'm not really going anywhere. I can't remember the last time I put on like a thick eyeliner and a pair of like full-on falsies. I've really been embracing just wearing natural makeup. Today I've used the Burt's Bees eyeshadow trio. This is Blooming Desert and it's number 1510. It's perfect for me. You guys know that I love a coral eyeshadow eye. A light wash of coral colour, and then a bit of a dark brown to go in the lash line, and then a highlighting colour to go in the inner corners, which is something that I always do. It just really brightens up the eyes. I honestly didn't know that Burt's Bees did makeup, but now I know. I feel like this is going to be one of my go-to palettes now, especially now that I don't wear a lot of eye makeup. On my lips I have the Burt's Bees Rhubarb Lip Shimmer. It's actually part of a gift set, a trio of lip colours. There's rhubarb, watermelon and peony, and it comes in a cute little box like this. I feel like Burt's Bees is a great brand for gift giving. On average, most of Burt's Bees products are 98% natural, if not 100%. You can actually recycle all of their packaging. They have their own recycling program, which I think is really cool. So the lip trios come in a little box like this, and it has like tissue paper and like little shredded paper. It's really nicely packaged. I think this would be good for like a stocking filler or a Secret Santa. I feel like Burt's Bees lip products are such a classic that any girl would love to receive it, because who doesn't use lip balm, especially in this time of year as well, when lips are a little bit more dry and chapped. They've actually really kindly sent over a few gift sets for me to show you, and they've also offered me a discount code. Burt's Bees products, no one will be disappointed at receiving Burt's Bees products. I actually picked these out, and honestly, if someone gave me these, I would be over the moon, because right now everybody's hands are dry from all the hand washing and hand sanitizer. My hands have been the driest they've been in the longest time ever. My hands have never been this dry. So what I picked out is this Orange Blossom and Pistachio hand cream and lip kit. That sounds fabulous. I actually want to smell this now, because I've not tried these special kind of like scents. I've tried the classic Burt's Bees stuff, but these are scents that I've not tried. So let's give this one a whiff. Oh, that smells yummy. It actually it actually smells like an orange, like cookie or something. And then I have a lavender and honey gift set as well. Again, it comes in fabulous sorry, again it comes in fabulous packaging. Lavender and honey, I can imagine using this at night time and putting it on my bedside table ready for night time would be a good idea. Oh, that smells good as well. I love lavender. I've been using a lot of lavender. I have some like dried lavender in a vase there, and to help me sleep better, this is going to be perfect. Burt's Bees have actually given me a discount code. So if you use the discount code on the Burt's Bees website, which is where you can buy all these products, if you use Susie20, I'll put it on the screen here, you can actually get 20% off, which is cool because Burt's Bees are such good quality products at an affordable price. So here is another gift box that I picked out. I'm actually going to give this to my mum. She would absolutely love this. So inside the box there is 6 products. There's a cleansing cream, cuticle cream, a lip balm, a hand cream, a ointment and a foot cream. I think this is a good way of testing Burt's Bees products as well, because you get 6 in a box, so you have like a nice range of products to choose from. I also picked out this lip balm jar. This is so cute. Basically it's 3 lip balms in this cute little, it looks like a honey pot jar. It's so cute. I think this would make a perfect stocking filler or a Secret Santa gift, or even if you just want to like top up someone's present. I love this. It is so cute because not only do you get free lip products, you can also reuse the jar afterwards. Another product that I wanted to show you, and it's probably why I'm so fond of Burt's Bees products, is the baby bubble bath. Honestly guys, if you have a child or a baby and you've not used this before, you're seriously missing out. This is what I used when Aiden was a baby. He had very dry skin, and Burt's Bees products are all about keeping things natural. It's all about taking care of the skin, and honestly this smells amazing. This just reminds me of when he was a baby. I'm going to use this with Aiden tonight. He's going to love this because it smells like honey. It literally smells like honey. Burt's Bees baby products are safe, they're effective, and they've been tested, and they contain no parabens as well, which is really good. It says on here 98.9% natural. I might actually put this in my own bubble bath. So I'll put all the links to all of the products that I've just mentioned down below in the information box, and also my discount code as well, which is Susie20. If you go straight onto the Burt's Bees website, which I'll put down below, you can get 20% off, which is amazing, because if you've still got Christmas presents to buy or Secret Santas, then it is like literally perfect. I'm actually just going to put a bit of this orange blossom and pistachio hand cream on right now because it smells delicious and my hands are dry, very dry. I just did the washing up, so I think I mentioned it in my last vlog, but I didn't show you guys. I showed it on Instagram stories but not on my actual vlog. So I did put all my coats back into my wardrobe, all my autumn winter coats, so it's nice and coordinated now. Checked, black, green, then it goes into browns, then into cream. So I'm really glad that I've done that. By the way, my door is so chipped, like matte black really is such high maintenance. And then down here I have this little thing that I put in my, I don't know why my handbag's there, but my scarves and my hats are down there. My ring light goes in there as well. And then over here are my jackets. What's this? It's a little bit of fluff. Yes, darling? In 10 minutes. All my jackets are here, so blazers, leather jacket, and then I put a few shirts there just because I wanted to keep my shirts hanged up because they get creased easily. And then down here I have duvets and pillowcases, and then down here I have towels and socks and stuff like that, just like little random stuff.
Leave it with
I just popped into Nando's because I am actually starving. I haven't eaten all morning. It's now lunchtime. Aiden's only had breakfast too, and I haven't had Nando's in a long time, so we thought we'd come and see what the queue situation was like. Yeah, and there wasn't a queue at all, so we thought, okay, let's have lunch at Nando's. Yeah, let's do this.
How many do you want?
How many can I have?
free extra. You guys need them to your parents.
Is that what you want for Christmas? I feel for any parents who have kids that love Ryan toys. I got him this for his birthday last year. Before it came out in the UK, you could only get it in the US. So I actually got my friend to bring it over for me. Honestly, it's the biggest waste of money ever. Went to Smith's to pick out some toys for his Santa's list. And I just got him one of these little mushrooms. He collects them. And this is going to be his first Harry Potter one. You've only just recently gotten into Harry Potter, haven't you?
I got cake! My favourite!
You lucky boy!
My favourite!
You got Harry Potter! Out of all of the ones that you could have gotten, I think how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of the 6 options, you got Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Aren't you a lucky boy? Do you love it?
It's looking back kinky.
Who bought you it?
Mummy. I want mash it. I think mash it. I'm strong, I don't need mash it.
You don't need to smash it.
See?
Oh yeah, you are strong. So we've just got home. I've got a bit of a headache. I think that last night I slept for too long, and this is why I've got my glasses on. I had to take my contact lenses out because I don't know, they were just feeling a little bit uncomfortable, especially when I've got a headache. So I just put my glasses on to go out, to work out with my glasses on. I don't know if it's because I slept for too long. I had like 9.5 hours sleep, or whether it's because last night I didn't sleep in the correct position, so I've got a stiff neck. Yes, darling?
I need to pick Harry Potter for me.
You're welcome. Are you happy?
How do you know Harry Potter is my favourite? Oh.
Because you love Harry Potter now.
But how do you know that?
Because I just know, because I'm your mummy.
Oh.
Yeah, I've got a bit of a stiff neck, so I'm not sure whether that's giving me a headache.
When I open it, I'm going to make cupcakes for you.
Okay.
When we finish doing videos.
Okay. We'll do that, okay?
Mama, I almost opened it already.
A little bit, because you're a strong boy now.
I can't open it with my hands.
Yeah, because you're 5 years old. Yeah, so I'm not sure whether it's because I've got a stiff neck. My neck really hurts when I was reversing into a space earlier. Like when I turned around, my neck was really hurting. I was struggling to like fully turn around and see the back of me to reverse into a space. Yeah, I don't know if it's that's giving me a headache. Also, I've got a charger. They didn't have the Apple cables, so I'm gonna wait until I go to an Apple store to get an Apple cable, but for now I've got a wireless one. Are you okay, baby?
Mama.
Come here.
What?
Let me have a look at your nose. Put your head back.
If you want to open this, Mama, I can't open it because I'm 5.
Oh, because you're a strong boy now. It's okay, Mummy can open it.
Mommy, I can just get my seat and open this and get it.
It's okay, darling. Thank you for offering that. Yeah, I've just got a wireless one, so that I can just put it down somewhere and then the phone can just go on it and charge it wirelessly. I'm not sure if it's compatible with my old phone, which is the phone that Aiden uses, but I do know it's compatible with my phone. Yeah, we need to go to the Apple shop, Aiden,
to buy one.
to buy the cable, because there was no cables today, was there?
Oh, you just buy this one then?
Yeah.
What you're making this for?
Oh, can you help me put it back, please? Thank you. Has anybody used a wireless charger before? Never used it. I got the 10 watts one. There was one that was 7.5 watts.
What?
But he said that this one's a little bit faster. It was £20. I think this would make such. I think this would make such a great Secret Santa present. Oh, cool.
I'm a strong boy.
You are a strong boy. I think this would make such a cool Secret Santa present, or like a stocking filler. for somebody who's like quite techie. Or actually, you don't even have to be techie because it's an iPhone charger. Everybody uses a phone charger, and it's not just for iPhones, it's for Samsung as well. So yeah, this is a good little present. Let's try it out. Oh my god, this is life changing. This is Mummy's charger, Aiden. New charger. You like it?
Let me see what it is like. You just run up.
You just put it on top and then it charges. Just built some of this Lego.
Wait, don't do it yet because I'm going to do the sticky.
Don't do what yet?
Don't do it yet because I'm doing the sticky.
Don't do the video yet.
Yeah, because I'm doing the sticky.
We've just built this fire engine. What else did we build? The choo-choo train.
The choo-choo
train. And you built the girl, didn't you? Where's the girl gone?
The girl.
Where's the girl gone?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're on to number 12. So tomorrow will be the 13th. I really don't know what's wrong with me. So I think we're going to do bath time. And then we're going to call it a day. Yeah?
Mommy, what are you going to do now? I'm bored.
We can watch a movie or we can play some games.
What games?
Up to you. You can decide.
We can play some games together. What games?
On
Roblox or Untitled Chapter or something else.
It's up to you. You can decide.
That I can go. I want to play games.
What games?
With you, Mummy.
Yeah, but what games?
I don't know. I need to charge my phone.
You do need to charge your phone. So yeah, we're going to call it a day and we'll see you in our next vlog.
Bye.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep